Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 9x12 wood canvas, a wood panel. And my background color is going to be a lavender. I created my lavender with a titanium white and a violet. So I am tilting the piece. The reason why I'm tilting the canvas is because I did not make a lot of lavender paint. So therefore I wanted to use it sparingly. I wanted to make sure I had enough to do my entire background, as well have a little in case I scraped or needed to touch something up after. So once I tilted it out, then I will go ahead and start using my dryer. And that way I don't have as much paint going over the sides. Now, prior to laying down my base coat, especially because this wood panel is thin, I went ahead and sealed it, and I used Golden's I think it's Golden's 100 to seal it with, and then I just put a thin coat of white on top of that. But I will put all of the items I used in the description below. So the first color I'm using is a violet. I'm sorry, my voice is going in and out. My next color I'm using is a Jenkins green. Just a little bit. And now I'm using an olive green. My final color is the iridescent gold, which is my favorite. I'm going to use my dryer to blow out the colors. I'm adding a little bit more base coat, but then I'm just going to blow out the colors on a diagonal. And from there, I'm going to use my mini blower. And I got this little attachment from Etsy. And I want to try it out. And it did very well, I think. So I'll have that linked in my description below also. So I'll let you enjoy the video and the music. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.